Right, guys, welcome to day 38 of the ICT Games Daily Dollop of Maths. Keeping the math skills bubbling over while we can't be in school for year 1 and 2. Thanks for coming back. Hope you're well. Please can you be sat with an adult? Please can you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready? And please call out. Love your mistakes. Join in. Okay, get involved, guys. Here we go. All right, okay. Here we go. So we're going to count backwards in ones from this number. Say that number for me. What's that number? Yeah, you feel like saying 15 or 150, don't you? But it's 105. Okay, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100. What's next? Turn to your partner. What's next? Yeah, 99. Whoops, sorry. 98, 97, 96. I'm going to speed up now. 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. What's next? This one catches lots of us out. Yes, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Again, this is going to catch us out. One less than 81 is 80. 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74. Well done, guys. Keep going. 73, 72, 71. One less than 71. 70. 69, 68. Okay, stop there. Stop there, guys. Well done. Super job. Okay, now we're going to count backwards in tens now. So we're going to go backwards 10 each time. So this digit is going to stay the same. This one's going to change. So 68, 58, 48, 38, 28. What's next? Turn to your partner. Yes, well done, guys. 18. Okay, stop there. All right, okay, let's find a number on here. Okay, we're going to add 10. We're going to count in tens from each number. We're going to keep going down. So 15, 25, 35. You're joining in? 45, 55. I can't hear you. 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. Okay, let's start at 2. 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. What's next? How do you write that number? How do you write that number? 102. How do you write it? Write it with your finger on the table. Yeah, 102. Good job, guys. Okay. Now, previously, we had a number here, and then we would add 10 or add 20 to it. We're going to carry on with a bit of that. So here's 36. Close your eyes for me. Close your eyes for me. Okay, you can open your eyes again. What number is inside this box? You add 10, you add 20, add 30. This digit is going to stay the same. A units digit is going to stay the same. 36, 46. Yes, 66. Good job, guys. Okay, close your eyes again. Okay. Open your eyes for me. Oh, 23, add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 23, add 50. If I saw 23, add 50 on a piece of paper, I might think, oh, I've got to do a vertical. I've got to write a column addition. But you don't have to, because the 3 is going to stay the same the whole way through. We're adding 50. 23, add 50. 33, 43. What's it going to be? Turn to your partner. 73. Well done, guys. Super job. That was a tricky one. Right, close your eyes again. No peeping. Oh, I'm watching you. No peeping. Open your eyes again. 28. Add 10, 20, 30. 28. Add 30. 28. Add 30. 3 tens. The cups. Sorry, the ones is going to stay the same. So it's going to be 8. Something 8. 38. Yes, 58. Good job, guys. Right, okay, you're going to take it to the next level now. Take it to the next level. Here we go. So, I do this number here, 54. Close your eyes for me. 54. Close your eyes. No peeping. No peeping. Right. This number. If when you go down, you're adding 10. When you go up, you're taking away 10. So, taking away 10. Taking away 20. 54. take away 20. 20 less than 54. The 1's digit is going to stay the same. There's going to be a 4 here. 50. Also, I said 60 then. I was adding 10 then. I was whispering 60. Love your mistakes, Mr. Barrett. 54. 44. Turn to partner. Well done, 34. Let's try another one. Close your eyes, no peeping. Okay, open your eyes again for me. So we're on 87. The 7 is going to stay the same. Take away 10. So this number's going to go down by 1. Take away 10 again. Take away 20. So 87, take away 20. Well done, 67. Good job, guys. Okay, another bit of review. Let's have a look. Look at that cool car. That is so neat. Right, I'm going to put a scoop on the bonnet. So, which one shall I go for? Oh, the supercharger. It's got to be the supercharger, hasn't it? 41p. Pause the video. Write on your piece of paper what coins you'd use to spend 41p. Pause the video for me. How would you spend 41p? Okay. I think I'd use a 20. And maybe 2 10s. And a 1. So that makes 40. Add one more, 41. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Let's change tyres. Which ones do you fancy? Which ones? The F1 ones, okay. Let's go for the F1 ones. 50p, but you're not... let's pretend I've got no 50p's in my wallet. I've got no 50p's. What could I do? I could go 10 times 5. That's times 3, times 4... times 5, that's 50. And then I don't need any 1s because there's no 1s there. 50p. Look at that mean machine. That's very cool. Okay, well done, guys. We're going to do a bit of change, another little bit of review. Come on, let's pull things from our memory that we've done before.
You're the shopkeeper. You have to scan the items, the customer will pay you some money, and you have to give them their change.
I want a rubber duck that looks like a mallard. That'd be lovely. Right, they've paid too much. They've paid 20p. And the duck is only 19p. They've got to go home with 20p's worth of stuff. Duck plus money. Yeah? It's got to add up to 20 because they've given us 20 and that's only fair. So what do you add to 19 to make up 20? So you've got 19p worth of duck plus... yeah, 1. 1 and 9 feeling fine.
Thank you for my change.
You're very welcome. Oh, sandwich. Sandwiches are really expensive. Oh my word, that's cheap. Okay, so they've got 17p worth of sandwich and they need to go home and they've paid 20p. They need to go home with 20p's worth of stuff. Okay, so how are we going to make 17 up to 20? How are we going to add something to 17 to give them up to 20? And 7 made in heaven. Yeah, 3. Well done. So now they've got sandwiches and 3p. So they've got 20p and that's a fair swap.
Thank you for my change.
Some apples? Right, 8p. Now, the apples only cost 8... They're seriously cheap apples. The apples only cost 8p. Okay? They've paid 20p and that's not fair. We've got to give them 20p's worth of stuff. Apples plus money to make up 20p. What could we do? And 8 feeling great. And 8. Yeah, 2. So that 2 and 8 gets us to the 10. Now that we've given them change if it was from 10p, but it's not. It's 20p. So now how much more do we need to get from 10 to 20? Another 10. So all together there, they've got how much change? Yes, 12p.
Thank you for my change.
Well done, guys. Okay. Now we've been thinking about... quarters and halves, and I'm just going to get my clock somewhere ready. Okay, now year 1s, you need to be able to read o'clock and half past. Year 2s, you need to be able to read any time where the minute hand is pointing to one of these numbers. Okay, but we're just going to look at quarter past and half past today. Okay, so what time is that? Yeah, 4 o'clock, easy. The hour hand is pointing to the 4 and the big hand is on the 12, which means it's o'clock. Okay, Now, last time we did half the way around. What's that? That's half past. Yeah, that's right. And we said that you could almost not have the minute hand because look, it's halfway between the 4. Well, it's a bit past it, but halfway between the 4 and the 5. That's like a sundial. A sundial has a shadow that goes round where the sun shines, and it's almost like a sundial pointing between the two numbers, and it's half past. The clock goes round this way, so this hour hand has gone past 4. It's not 5:30. It's not gone past the 5 yet. It's gone past the 4. But okay, so that stuff we've done already. Let's just go back to 4 o'clock. If we had 1 playtime's worth of time, it would be this amount of time. If we had 15 minutes, it would be this time. This for year 2s is 15 minutes past 4 or something else. There's another name for it. It's not half past. It's a quarter past. That's right. Because if you cut the clock into 4, that would just be a quarter. So it's a quarter past 4. Okay. Now it's half past 4. A quarter. We did this before. Quarter to 5. I can't speak. A quarter to 5. 5 o'clock. What time's that? It could be 5, 10, 15 minutes past 5. Or it could be a quarter of the way around, a quarter past 5. Okay, that's enough for a review of that one. Okay, now we have been looking at fractions, and let me just get a suitable pencil, or bear with me a second. Okay, and we did this. We cut it, and we shaded that side, and that's called a half. Well done. 1 part of a shape that was cut into 2. All parts the same size. We did that, didn't we? Let's just get rid of that a minute. Bye-bye. But we also did this. Okay, and we said these are cut. All parts the same size. 1 part of a shape that was cut into 4. All parts the same size. Sorry about my 4. It's gone a bit close together there. So just rub that out. I'll do it a bit better. There we go. Is that nicer? 1 part of a shape that was... join in, guys. 1 part of a shape that was cut into 4. All parts the same size. And then we could also do this. What did we say that was? Can you remember? Can you write that fraction down for me on your piece of paper? What would that be? Yeah, 2 parts of a shape that was cut into 4. All parts the same size. And we said that's 2 quarters. But we also said that looks like something else. What does it look like? That's right. It's right. It's the same value as... If I did it here, this might give you a clue. Yes, it's the same value. It equals... It's the same value as a half, isn't it? Now, what we're going to do today is have a look at this one. This one comes up a lot as well. What's that one? Let me just rub these out. It's not 1 part of a shape. It's not 2 parts of a shape. It's 3. 3 parts of a shape that was cut into 4. All parts the same size. 3 parts of a shape that was cut into 4. And that's got a name. It's not 1 quarter. It's not 2 quarters. It's... Turn to partner. Yes, 3 quarters. So let's play a game with 3 quarters. Here we go. Let me find a game. Where is that? Okay. So, excuse me, sorry. Okay, this is the year 2 one. Okay, this might have... unfortunately, this is... Now, you've not seen this one before, but I bet you can work out what it means. 1 part of a shape that was cut into 3. Yes. Okay, is that cut into 3? No. So forget that one. Is that cut into 3? Yes. So it could be that one. Is that cut into 3? No. Right, we'll forget both of those. It's one of these. Is that cut into 3? Yes, it is. So it's going to be one of those. So it's one of those. It's cut into 3. How many parts? Just the one. Well, that's 3 parts. That's 1 part. So it's that one. Turn to the person next to you and say, super job, super job. Okay, sorry, that was one you hadn't done. Oh no, we keep getting tricky ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 parts, so it's not that one. Forget that one. That's cut into 2. That we don't want that. We want cut into 3. So it's not that one. That one's cut into 3. So it could be that one because we want cut into 3. That one's cut into 3. So it could be that one. So it's one of these. It's going to be one of these. Okay. 2 parts of a shape that was cut into 3. All parts the same size. Which one's got 2 parts coloured in? Yes, well done guys. Super job. You're awesome. Come on, not be thirds anymore. No more cut into 3s. Oh no! Oh dear, who made these games? Right, okay. 3 parts of a shape that was cut into 3. All parts the same size. What? Is that cut into 3? No, forget about it. Is that cut into 3? No, forget about that one. Is that cut into 3? Yes, it is. It could be that one. Is that cut into 3? Yes, it is. So it could be that one. So it's one of these bottom ones. 3 parts of a shape that was cut into 3. Which one has 3 parts coloured in? Yes, well done. Good job. Right. Seriously, computer. No more thirds. We want quarters. Today's about quarters. And 3/4 is what we're after. Yes! Oh, I'm so lucky. Right. 3 parts of a shape that was cut into 4. All parts the same size, or also called 3/4. Turn to the person next to you and say, did you know that was 3/4? Yes, I did. Okay. That's cut into 5, so forget that one. Ignore you. That's cut into 2, so forget you. You're going. That's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, so it could be that one. That's cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, so it could be that one. So it's this one or that one. Which one's got 3 parts shaded? Yeah, that one. Well done. Good job. Super job. Come on, let's have another quarters one. Come on. Ah, right, I think that'll do. We'll stop there today. Right, so your reward, guys, is you get a bird controller. So you're on the field, and there are lots of seagulls, and they're coming to eat your chips. You can use your little remote control to direct them out the way, or you and your friend both have bird controllers, and you can remote control fly them around, and they can chase each other around the field, or you can make them go poo on somebody's car. Woo. Very naughty. Okay, have a nice day, guys. You're awesome. Thank you for your time today. You're brilliant. Keep working hard.